guys, it's the one and only HER.ARTIST, and I'm back with yet another female model drawing video. Now, before I start drawing today's girl, I've noticed that most of you guys have yet to subscribe to my channel, so please do so if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Also, don't forget to give this video a quick like while doing so. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. And now that we've got that out of the way, let's start the video. So today I will be drawing Ashley V. She is a super popular Instagram model with over 1.4 million followers and 593 posts. She's born and raised in the US, but is apparently of Filipino descent. She started her career as a go-go dancer, but has turned modeling into a full-time job, and has even appeared in magazines such as FHM magazine and D-Sport magazine. And last but not least, she reminds me of the Sampaguita flower. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know what you think of the end result in the comment section down below.